Arriving this fall 2025, the Air Jordan 1 Mid-White Smoke Gray offers a fresh, clean look that easily fits into any sneaker rotation. Inspired by fan-favorite colorways like Stealth and Wolf Gray, this pair delivers a balance of simplicity and subtle contrast, perfect for everyday wear or seasonal outfits. The design starts with a crisp white leather base, overlaid with soft pale gray on the toe, eyelets, and heel. A deeper smoke gray covers the swoosh, collar flaps, heel counter, and outsole, adding just enough edge to stand out without being too bold. Traditional Jordan branding stays intact, featuring a gray Jumpman on the tongue and a white Wings logo on the ankle. Known for its versatility, the Air Jordan 1 Mid continues to evolve while maintaining its timeless appeal. The white smoke gray edition is ideal for sneaker lovers who want a go-to option that works with anything, available this season for those seeking style, comfort, and subtle flair.